You guys have drinks?
Hello, Tekken.
Do I know you?
Hey.
Mimi, come here, come. Come here.
Relax. Grandma just want to tell you.
So we are here to watch Mimi Rose and Nona play
Eh, kung siya may talandi, kasi kayo mumumay. Nona.
Good luck.
Bye, Mimi. Bye.
Wait, what do I do?
Nona. Nona. Kontay ka chips na talatan ka.
That's not even a fast run. What are you doing?
These guys are the cheerleaders.
Nona, here, Nona.
Here are the cheerleaders. Him. Yep.
Is Mimi a cheerleader?
Yep. Yeah.
I can
So these guys, they played the first game and they won. They won the first game.
No more?
And then they're gonna play the second.
So we have score 5-0. All that.
Come on, Nona.
If you guys just walked in, right now we have 2 games going on. Basketball between him and Brigani, and one Valley from here. And on the outside we have Kona versus Remix.
She's sweating. Mona's sweating.
What are you gonna do?
But you're not keep on.
What?
You want us to go buy a soda? You guys have?
Come sit down. It's that
Thank you.
I got this in my arm. Keep dying. This is the wrong game.
Actually,
Once again, the game following this, we have Maui Local Oe versus True.
Real quick, where's Alani and Rocky?
Rocky's right there next to Steve.
Alani outside?
Yeah. Lonnie's playing volleyball.
Hey, leave him alone.
Yeah, LG, we're playing.
No, there's not a place to wrestle.
Where? At WWE?
Why? Leave her alone. Don't mess with her stuff. Yung mga Nicolasi sila.
yeah?
Yung mga Nicolasi sila. Anong pakalasi?
Як краще до Пашівка?
Kung sige.
Oh, paano? Kasi parang siya.
Why you fart?
Hey, you told me that 10 years ago, I had you.
Oh, my God! What?
Score 11-8. 11 is Him, 8 is Wanda. Next game following this, we have Molly Hawaii versus True. The winner of this game will go on and play FSU. Got less than a minute, 55 seconds.
Okay. You guys hear me?
25 seconds. 15. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Why you go on the ad? You can't press X.
So right now this game going on, we have Wall Family in the black, we have Tim in maroon, score.
Hear me, Bert?
You're the cheerleader.
Number
1 and number 2.
You want to hear it, Bert?
13.
Yeah.
Daddy, want to hear me, Bert?
Next game we have the two teams on deck, the ones that won the first and second game. We have Team Maui Local Boys.
Luna is one of the cheerleaders.
And True.
Guys, my turn.
Third game we have FSU versus Unokea.
Bobby, what? Want to hear me, Bert?
And the winner of this game
Luna is
will go on to play FSU.
It's right now, na.
My turn.
Wait.
And a friendly reminder for everyone else who's joining us, make your way to the gym. Once again, no tailgating, we don't want anybody, fans, spectators, anybody, players, you don't allow us to be in the parking lot. We have to be on this side of the driveway, the gym. I'm gonna lie, there's a whole world going on, making push guys corner, and remix.
Hey, Fiona. Now we go park. We go park, Nona. Hey, Mommy, I don't want to.
Come on, Nona.
Hey, it's Baby's turn. You win. My secret.
Rocky, I want to look at this thing here. He's about to play. Don't move.
It's baby's turn.
Cheerleader. He's the cheerleader.
Rocky is a cheerleader, even he.
beginnen. Dat is het vallen van beginnen.
Wat zei je?
Turnout score, Kim 22, all down to 12. Second half, 4 minutes and 15 seconds.
Begini na counter tanat pa lang siya. Yung mga teacher.
Our backs are 1 minute and 31.
Hey, you guys sit down. You guys sit down.
Okay, I'll lay down.
Share with everyone.
Yeah, 22-16. Time remaining 54.3 seconds. Shooting 2, Charles Collins.
Okay. Waiting rin.
How would you say using your diaphragm forever? Like, how do we get to a true place gathering? I'm not sure either. You are.
I'm too old.
Yeah, better.
I want the younger one.
Time remaining 32.2 seconds. Score 23, 10, 19, all down.
Fight me.
Come on, Mama.
Fight me.
Come on, Mama.
I'm scared.
So cute.
And you're scared.
24-19. There. 30 seconds remaining. Shooting 2. So right now the score 24 in, 19, 1 boundary. Next game, we have True and Mario football.
These guys are going to be playing in a little bit.
For 24-20.
20.
With one more free throw remaining. .2 seconds.
Shun is scared. Are you scared? What? Are you nervous? Be careful when you're playing.
No basket, first free throw. Take the shot.
All right.
There it is.
Hi, Dio. Dio, you playing?
I retired.
Okay, thanks.
First free throw good. Good. We have a close game, 24 and 22, one Valley.
Remember you were sure outside. I literally am all right there.
Alright, so score 24 Henry, 22, one Valley, 7.9 seconds remaining. Molly McCoy and True next game.
These are all my connections playing volleyball out here. And the basketball inside.
They both free throws. Score now 26-22. Him, Maroon with 26. One down in black. That's 22, 4.4 seconds remaining.
Not gonna unshoot
We
them.
do have Mawino Ko'oi versus True in the next game. Both teams on their first game of the first two games today.
How are you guys?
Then watch out.
Hello guys. All right. All right.
I didn't know. Don't give a message. I ain't made it wrong.
Yay. All right, so final score 26-10, 22-1 boundaries. Then we'll face FSU in the next game. Everybody, can you give One Boundary a round of applause for them joining us this year? Thank you, One Boundary.
Hi guys. All right. Hello.
FSU!
Yeah, how are you? FSU, right on. Cheerleaders. Cheerleaders. Let's go for a win.
Yeah, as you guys can see, we have a shot clock already going on for the time for warm-up for the next game. Less than 2 minutes and 30 seconds. We're just using your guys' roster from the previous game, so if there's any adjustments and any players that join, numbers change, let us know.
Are you gonna post that on YouTube?
Yeah. My YouTube. I got a YouTube. Where you from? Yeah. There you go.
Where's your YouTube channel called?
So I'm gonna give you my YouTube is I'm gonna give it to you. I'm gonna write it down and give it to you.
How about
Yeah, you can get it from me. Yeah. Alright, what's your name?
He's black.
Alright. So make sure I give it to you, yeah? So you can watch it
I'm
later.
from Lagos. It's me.
You too? Okay.
I'm from Lagos.
Yeah.
Today we're playing basketball.
I'm gonna write it down and I'm gonna give it to you. Yeah.
I'm from Lagos. Remember, you're from Lagos.
Yeah. Just get on my YouTube. Yeah.
Swati, it's on its own.
I'm from Kashmir. Yeah, my connection from
yeah,
Kashmir. Yeah. What is that?
That means you're nice.
Oh,
You're so Jonathan.
yeah.
He's saying you're funny more. He said you're funny.
Kashmir.
Why are they clapping? Nah, since you won't like give it the basketball.
Here we go. Next round, Troop versus Maui Makaoi. Winner goes home, and winner moves on. Loser goes home. Loser goes home and joins. Who's up? Exhibit.
Who my bonnet?
Take a bite, take a bite.
Hey, I'm trying not to go to sleep. Hey, Gunner.
Blue versus green. Here we go. Maui wins the tip. Win or ball. Number 2. Gives it to number 30.
I got 4.
Ball number 4, JP. That was the quickest foul at wrestling. Number 2. Luke's ball.
3 kilos.
Number 3, 30. Number 30 with the. Number 30. I'm just as hungry as you. Here we go, Lulu. To JP. Number 4 looking. To number 5, down to number 8. Back up to number 5. Number 6 looking. Back to number 5. Drive, stop. Gives it to number 7. There you go. Yay! Number 7, PJ Rock. 2-0. Here we go. Maui looking for a bucket. Number 2. Good defense by Linus. He wants to set it up. Gives it to Nuno. To JP. Wants the 3. Misses. Rebound goes to number 23. 13 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 2. Foul number 6. Reaching foul number 6. Nunu. Mr. Ning. Number 5. Dancing. Gives it to number 15. Number 15. Looking to number 2. Number 2 to number 5. Number 5, driving in. Kicks it out, turns it over, with the steal. Up top to number 4. Number 4, driving, puts it up, JP with the bucket, 4-0, true. Number 2, dancing between the legs, 20-20, good defense. Stolen away by Spencer. Stop, pop, try! Oh my goodness. Sounds like we're in Maui. 4-2. JP. DJ, directing traffic. DJ, back out to JP. Wide open for 3. Number 15. Gives it to number 2. Number 2 is going to set it up. Gives it to number 5. With the tattoos. Drives it in. Wow. Ball number 8. 2 shots. Basket, good time. And drive. Kill, shooting 1. Basket, good. Score is tied. 11 minutes and 20 seconds. Nuno with the ball. Nuno. JP back out to Nuno. Spence. Nuno driving, kicking, JP. Kill with the ball. Kill. Charging. Offensive foul number 5. Nuno with the block. 10 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Score is tied at 4. Oh, good defense by number 2. 10 minutes and 20 seconds. JP. Lulu. Number 6. True setting it up. Lulu for 3. Back! And he tells the bench to shh. 7-4. 7-4. True. Oh, number 5. NBA to next game is FSU versus him. Number 2. Number 2. Number 5. Number 5. Jail. Last at 3. What a shot! One more shot for number 5. The Molly crowd wants the ref's address. 10-7. Spencer. Back out to JP. Nunu. Julius. Back out to JP. Nunu. Number 2 to the hoop. That was a no basket. Can we get a captain to the middle of the captain from Boca? We're gonna have a dance off.
Hey, everyone just wait, don't worry about the call.
Foul number 30, blue. Green ball, that was a loose ball foul number 30. Basket was no good. Venus. JP. No. Back out to Spencer. For 3. Free ball. Technical foul number 6. Kale drives. Basket. Charlie foul number 2. Timeout.
Is this okay? All right. Thanks.
Basket good by DJ Rock. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Holding on number 21. Coming into the game, number 20. Basket 2 by number 20. 2, number 22. Foul number 15.
I'm gonna give you my YouTube so you can watch. Yeah? Okay.
How much is left?
Yeah, I'm gonna write it down and I'll give it to you.
JP, Spencer, back out to JP. For 3. Two shots. Two shots. Basket good. So we get to the game number 27, Anthony. Foul number 21. 17 foul. 15. 3 shots. Three shots.
So, bro, I'm back on a gang.
Mrs. McCurry.
차라차라 벽에 빠져.
Shove, 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 shove. Somebody get the game. Kill up.
He's gonna. Go get him, June.
It doesn't matter if you switch off left and right. Keep press play button. Keep there. Own his leg. So Boston gets a rebound. Don't rush. You don't have to grab the rebound and start dribbling. Just grab it, secure it, find your point guard. That's it. Roll down focus. It's faster if you pass it to the guard and you run down the floor. We can get you the ball now. Let's go. Hey, defense first. Real loud. Defense. One, two, three, defense.
Hey, true way, man. The ref is not eating. What the ref eat? Let the ref chew his food. He's a swallower. Here we go, boys. Win or go home. 4-point game.
15 and 11.
Hey, excuse me. Can you show us too? Hey, you guys say what's up? Hey, you guys say what's up? What's up?
Come on, guys, represent. Come on.
Aloha. Atap.
Linus, JD, about to spin. What we got, ref? Five on the offensive.
Let's go, 23, that's all.
Here we go, Maui with the ball. Kev, dancing, spinning. True.
All right.
Foul. Number 32.
Hey, show them play shadow box.
Ooh.
Hey. Shadow box.
Come on, the next one. Yes, here we go. Yes, from Denver Broncos. 15-13, 2-point game. set it up with 2-point lead for Maui. Linus to Spence. Stop. Passes. Linus again.
Sorry guys, no problem.
Maui will set it up.
Wait guys,
12 minutes, 20 seconds.
It's alright.
Carroll. Uses the screen. Carroll. Puts it up. Puts it! Basket good by number 33. Lincoln. 4-point lead for Drew. Vroom. Linus. Stop. Box. Shoot. Misses. Carroll with the ball. Solo. This is to number 2. Our two dancing. Driving. Blocking foul. Foul number 8.
Vai, Jonathan.
Blocking. 2 shots for number 2. Sub on the next shot. So we get them again from Raleigh number 7, Killer. And for True number 24, sponsored by Heineken, Calvin Henry. Mrs. Bolt. Over back, number 5.
I know, Jonathan.
4-point game. My goodness, Molly with the lead. Spencer, 1-point game. 10 minutes remaining. Timeout, Maui.
Sixteen, 17.
Hey, the guy on the side of the tree is cheating. Take that right elbow right there. If you're gonna flash middle, it's gonna flash. This guy's all the way over. I got there. Force him to the left. So that what you think I did. And then that corner guy, don't stand around.
Watch the middle. He comes all the way up.
Don't force nothing. Let's play defense first.
Here we go, 10 minutes. Kale, good defense by Linus. Sozo. Back up top to number 2. Back to number 5. Who got Paul number 8. That's his third.
Show it to me, Jonathan. Show it to
5 minutes and 25 seconds.
down here. Jonathan, show it down here.
Paul number 8.
Like that.
Here we go. Oh! Jump, jump.
Wait, I got to record.
Go. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Spencer. Sama. DJ. Bravo. Stop. This game is a 1-point game. Winner go home, 7 minutes, 50 seconds remaining in the second half. Next game, Kim versus FSU. Basket, good and now. Chu is up by 1. Charlie. Who's ball ball number 21 from Maui?
Hey, everyone pick up someone.
Chu leading by 1, 7 minutes remaining. Win or go home.
Colton, help him.
Ooh, that's Spencer.
Got your hands, go.
3-pointer.
Up, go, middle. Team middle.
Shama. Rookie.
Hey, you got left.
Setting it up. Shiro, back to
Off his leg.
So into the game, number 15. Samo. And number 4. Tedu. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Win or go home. Win or go home and join Takashima. Number 2. Drive. Start. Defense. Turnover. Five minutes remaining. Ken. Bring it in. Puts it back. Everyone going in. Someone lets the ball. 2 minutes. Turnover. Jump. 4 minutes and 25 seconds. Green ball. So. 26. Sean. JP. Spencer. JP. 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Spencer. Back up, JP.
Good, Chip.
Finish. Spencer for 3. 3 minutes. Number 33. Basket good. Second good game. Number 30. Orlando miss. Number 33. Blue player number 33. So. One, little miss.
Let's go cheerleader.
Here we go. 4-point game. Sideball. Jumper. Ball. 22. 1-1. What was that, right? Oh, that was a tackle number 33. Green basketball. FSU in a hand. Here and next. What a game.
Hey, go that way. Keep going, let's go. Let's go,
It's been a close game all game. Let's get this game over with so ref can finish his food.
Hey, you look.
Here comes that.
Here we go.
행복할게요. Alright.
Correction 5.
네, 그런 식의 피언키스 맞죠?
Final 33. Warning on number 33, that's your fourth. Three shots. Molly, you got one more timeout. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Final score, 29-25, Maui. Put your hands together for Maui Nova Oil. Next game is him versus her.
Dalito. What's the score right? Oh, it's already done.
As you guys can see, the clock is now running to the warm-up. Kids, we need to go for the number. If you share an announcement for drinks, we are not allowing things that we don't have cover on it. Cannot drinks that have a lid, has to be a twist straw. If you guys have
What happened? You guys gonna play again?
throw it away outside or take it outside, go outside, food. If you guys have kids, please be aware of where your kids are at all times as somebody's watching them.
We're gonna go.
We did have 2 lights that were knocked over outside, right on the line. And make sure if you guys have
Good job, man. Alright.
outside, either people that came from the car, teammates, family, we need them on this side of the driveway, either on the line or in the gym. Once again, just make sure that you guys, when you go to the gym, we got also your class here for having training, and spinning on the floor. So right now, as we move on, we have a game between FSU and HIM.
Good job.
This game will go on back and play Tuesday in the game after
How come it's so
the
mad?
next one between